Score is 4-8. Score right now is 4-9, leading by Shero Smith. This is a championship match. Whoa! The best. Nice look. Nice smash by Shero Smith. Shero Smith versus Antique. All right.
Take your time to know.
Nice one, Shero Smith. Okay, nice try, Shit. Nice try, okay. Go, go, go. Shit, hindi pa nga manaw, diretso lang, push lang. Hindi pagpatalbuha. Nice, alright. Okay, okay. Go, 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 Bansi. Oy, nice shots. That was an edge ball. Look by Shero Smith. Okay, nice try, nice try. Okay lang, nice try. Score right now is 3-all in the second set. Nice one! Okay, Kwaisa, matamat. Whoa! That was a nice counter spin by Shero Smith. Sa long tips ng player ng Antique by Coach Canalan. Oh my goodness, that was a net ball. Score by Shero Smith. It's now 6-3. Nice look! Very good! Okay, dire-diretso. Nice one, nice one! Very good! Okay, kuha pa isa. Assurance.
Add lang, add.
Paisa.
Another look by Shero Smith. Grabe talaga. Sarap talaga ng DNA Platinum of Stiga. Nice, nice Shera, nice, good. Okay, mintinar lang ang look mo, matira. Actually, hindi niya man gapon mapunggan. Ang siyod sa bola. So, bumba. Ha? Hindi na po kusiki. Pila na? 9-4. So, 2 na lang ka-score. Champion na ta. Ha? Tapusa na. Okay, patiyuga ma yung bula, she. Kaya mo na. Go, Shera! This game is brought to you by Cherry Sports. All here at Iloilo City, guys. 9-5. Okay, Kwaisa, she. Hindi magdali. Patiyuga mo yung bula. Nice one! Isa pa! Isa na lang, ka-Chicken Joy. Tapos na ang laban. Ay, kadiputi ka na si Jan lang. Ay, kadiputi ka na pasayod. Isa nga.
Isa lang.
Crucial po. Tarap matay.
Isa lang.
Okay, Kwaisa, she.
Sir.
Last one na.
All right. And that's the end of the game. Champion Shero Smith, second Antique.